Hi, I'm Tim Bartz, Internet Sales Manager here at McArthur Performance in Salina, Kansas. Where you can find some of the coolest custom builds of anywhere in the country, and you can see one right now in this video. We're going to cover this LMX4 package for the Ford Ranger for the 2021 model year. We did this package last year as well, and so I want to cover how it's going to be a little different this year with this build. So we're going to cover all the equipment, how we order these from the factory, and then also what's included in this package. So if you want to put this package on, maybe an XLT or something with different equipment than what we put on our stock units, you can order a Ranger, have this package put on it, onto any kind of equipment or optional equipment that you might want on your own custom build. You can do that as well. So we're going to cover all this in this package. Now, first time watching one of our videos here on our McArthur YouTube channel, hit the red subscribe button down below so you can get subscribed to our channel. Hit the notification bell. You also get notified the next time another video upload to our YouTube channel. And we do free shipping. So if you're interested in one of these Rangers or any of our other vehicles, keep in mind we do free shipping. We'll have more information about that at the end of the video. But first, let's go ahead and jump in. We're going to jump right in, talk about some of the factory equipment on our stock units, how we order these from the factory, what equipment group we picked it, what trim we put it on, and why we did that. Now let's talk about how we're going to equip our stock units. So we will order these in the XL trim for all of the LMX4s that you're going to see in our inventory and on our lot. We'll order a combination. We'll order some in the Super Cab like you're seeing with this particular one. Also Super Crew Cab, so both we'll have some of both of those. And we sold our Super Crew that we had. We still have the Super Cab in stock, but we do have several that are being built and in process of getting this package put on them. But we will order them in the XL trim. Of course, all of them be ordered in a 4x4, and of course they're going to come standard with the 2.3 liter EcoBoost engine with the 10-speed automatic transmission, giving you over 300 horsepower and I think over 310 pound-feet of torque. So plenty of power with that combination. I think more power than any other compact truck in its segment there. XL trim will come with the black grille in the front, as well as the black bumpers on the front as well as the back. Black wheel lip molding as well here. That's how those are going to get equipped from the factory. Of course, full power windows and locks. They're going to come standard on the XL trim. You're also going to get rear view camera, standard equipment, so you're going to be able to see as you're backing up. And they're all going to come with that Ford Pass Connect, allowing you to be able to remote start the vehicle from anywhere using the Ford Pass app, as well as lock the vehicle. Great features like that. So pretty well equipped from the factory. Now we are ordering these XLs with the STX appearance package, so we just like to upgrade that. It is going to give you the fog lights on the front up there. Does also upgrade the wheels, but we're going to upgrade them even further with the LMX4 package, so we'll talk more about that in a little bit. But also we want to also add the special STX Special Edition package, which requires you to have the appearance package first. So Special Edition package gives you some great convenience features on the inside that we just thought it needed to have, like the Sync 3 system with that 8-inch touchscreen. So big 8-inch touchscreen, giving you that full backup camera in the 8 inches screen there. Also gives you the Android Auto, Apple CarPlay with that, and 911 assist as well. Also, it's going to give you the Sirius XM satellite radio is going to come with this package, and you're going to also get dual zone climate control, so the driver and front passenger can have 2 different temperatures. Also with this package, you're going to get the privacy glass on these back windows, the back glass, and also giving you the rear defrost. You can tell with that some great convenience features that go along with your STX with that special edition package, which is new for the 2021 model year here. Also, the special edition package gives you an upgraded wheel, but we're going to upgrade it even further with this LMX4 package. So very well equipped truck from the factory. But now let's go ahead and talk about what we add as part of the LMX4 package. So let's talk about this LMX4 package. Now this package, first thing you'll notice that we did, I'm 5'10", so you'll notice we brought this truck up. It's a 3-inch suspension lift kit that we added to this. Ranger is made to go off-road. Ford's intention all along was to make it a nice off-road truck that you could take and do what you want to with it. Putting this 3-inch suspension lift on it is going to give you more clearance to be able to take it even to better places and more places and go even further with it. We also added with these the 18-inch fuel black wheels. They are beadlock style. They are not a beadlock wheel, but they gives it a look of that with the fuels done with this design here. So really nice 18-inch wheel. Wrapped around that wheel is a 33-inch BF Goodrich all-terrain, the KO2 tires, all-terrain tires, great tire. I have that same tire on my truck. What I love about it is on the road it's not going to be loud and noisy, but off-road it's going to give you a nice aggressive tread that'll allow you to get some traction so you can go truly off-road with this truck. Of course, once we put the suspension lift, wheels and tires on there, we do a 4-wheel alignment as well as a HyperTech speedometer recalibration, so you're set to go right there. Also, we added front window tint on these, so you'll see privacy glass in the factory, front window tint from us, and then we also add the LMX4 badging on the side over here on the bedside, as well as a spray-in bed liner that we add to the truck too. So kind of just wrap that up with some different accessories there. Also, you're going to have a 3-year, 36,000 mile warranty. And then of course an LMX4 certificate of authenticity that goes along with the truck too. And this particular one, now the LMX4 package is about $8,995 for that package for everything we talked about. But we also upgraded this a little bit further. As part of the special edition package, you get a premium cloth seats that I forgot to mention earlier. But with this in here, we went ahead and upgraded it with the leather upgrade. So for another $24.95, we went ahead and upgraded the leather seats. So full leather seats on the front as well as those in the back. So it's a nice upgrade here on this LMX4 package. So that is something you can add to that if you want that. This particular unit on a lot has that upgrade. Not all of them that we order from the stock or for our stock units or our on the lot units will have the leather upgrade. But if you want to upgrade it, you can do that with this, like we did with this particular unit here. So where can you find our current inventory? On our website at lawmacarthur.com. Just click on that Law McArthur Performance black logo at the top of the website. That's going to go to our performance page. On that, you're going to see all of our performance vehicle inventory right there at the bottom, but also you're going to see different dedicated pages to our different custom builds that we do. If you look under the Ranger section, you'll see the LMX4 package. Click on that. You're going to go to the page dedicated to our LMX4 inventory and the information that I've covered in this video, as well as I'll put that video right there on that page too. So you can check out our current inventory right now. This happens to be the only LMX4 package we have in stock, but like I said, we have about 6 more that are still that are working, that are in progress of getting completed. So we should have those, and those will show up there on the website. In fact, we may have 1 or 2 by the time this video goes live on YouTube. So great little package. Again, it's $8,995 for the package. If you want to add the leather upgrade, you can go with another $2,500 and we'll cover the leather as well. So great little package, can be put on the Super Cab or the Super Crew. They'll all be 4x4 and different various colors. This happens to be the Cactus Gray. So if you're out there, Bronco people might want to kind of curious on what that Cactus Gray looks like. Gorgeous gray with some green tint to it. So, you know, in the cloudy weather, kind of you can see that green come through, and when it's really sunny out, it looks more of on the lighter gray tone there. So great truck, and of course this package, really love it. That's why we're doing it for the 21 model year as well, just like we did in 2020. So check out our website. Had any questions, of course, we have coordinators that know this package pretty well, can tell you what's going on. Just give us a call or send us a text message to the numbers that are on the screen. Those numbers are also down in the description if you want to check those out down there, as well as more information about everything included in this package are going to be listed down in the description as well. Don't forget, we do free shipping, so if you're wanting one of these Rangers and you don't live close to us, we can ship it to you for free. We just ask you to finance a vehicle with us. It's pretty simple that way. If you finance it with us, the lender gets enough of a kickback, cover the cost of that shipping, and we can have it shipped right to your door. So you can get a great looking truck, order from the dealership that is passionate about our performance vehicles, delivered right to your door. So take advantage of that. We had over 50 people last month that purchased a vehicle from us from out of state, and we had it delivered to them. 25 different states last month. So we do that about every month. So just take advantage of what we can do here at Law McArthur and do almost everything on our website. Also, don't forget, if you have any questions, drop them down in the comments, smash a like button, share the video out, but also go ahead and subscribe to our YouTube channel. Hit the red subscribe button down below, hit the notification bell. You'll also get notified the next time I have another video uploaded to our YouTube channel. Don't forget to find us on social media at Law McArthur on Facebook, Twitter, or Instagram. You can see everything we have going on our web, up there on our different social media accounts. And until the next video, we'll see you later.